Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we are going through this yumminess, you guys. Do you see this? If you follow me on Instagram, you know that my friend Jazz and we swapped a box, and she's a local pen pal. She actually lives a few blocks away from me, and we had planned to just swap a box and deliver it to each other. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I posted the real big pink bag that she had her daughter take me to work, and my daughter actually dropped off her box to her. So today we're going through her box that she sent me, and I didn't get to film a video like packing hers up because you guys, I have so much going on that I just wanted to package her stuff up really quick. But I did have a video showing what I sent her, plus I have pictures on my Instagram of the stuff that I sent her, and I also have her tagged so you can go on her page and also see more pictures over there. But you guys, I'm gonna have her link down below. You guys definitely have to check her out. She has been on my channel a few times because we've done a few swaps, and she's just amazing. I love Jazz to death. That is my homegirl. But let's get into this box. Yes, I went through it because I am super impatient. You guys, she dropped this box off like around 9 a.m. 10 a.m. in the morning at my job. I could not stare at it. I swear I broke by like 1 p.m. And she was so persistent. She wanted me to see it so bad that she wasn't doing any help either. So she made me open my box. And yeah, so let me show you how she decorated the box. This says hello on one side. She loves her some butterflies. This one says love. Super cute. My favorite colors. You guys know me and my mint and my pink and my peach. Those are my favorite colors. And you guys, look how beautiful this is. It says Lily, and I love those stickers. I actually have to ask her where she got those stickers from. I meant to ask her that and I totally forgot because I am obsessed. I love them so much. But yeah, you guys, this is the box. Now, let me tell you guys what we agreed on. We agreed on 5 handmade, 5 gifts, a project, and a wand, and just whatever extras we wanted to give each other. So let's dig in. I'm gonna move the box. I think I'm gonna actually take it off the table. But first, let me show you guys what she made me, aside from the box. Because if you've been on my channel and know that I've swapped with her before and seen my previous swaps with her, she's just extremely generous and a very like loving person. But look, you guys, she made me my own cork board. She decorated it with the trim from Hobby Lobby, which you guys know I am obsessed with. But you guys, look, she always calls me her crafty queen. And look at the little crown. It even has like little gems, like pearls in the inside. You guys, look how beautiful this is. Is this not amazing? And look, she took like little clear thumbtacks and put those little, like the little Michael stones, the iridescent ones, right on top so that it can match with the cork board. Is that not crafty or what? I am obsessed with this. This is beautiful. So that was the first thing that was in the bag aside from what I'm about to take out. So I'm going to show you guys first the project. This is the project that we made. We made each other tag flips. So she made me this beautiful tag flip, and it has all these beautiful trims in all my favorite colors. And then this is what the first page looks like. It says Lily with that same trim, which she knows I'm obsessed with. Little Maggie Holmes carousel. And there's this one. And I think this is from the Cute Girl stamp set. Super cute. She has some little gold thread there. She also started sewing for the very first time, so I feel very privileged because she's never sewn any projects, and she did for me. So over here she added some goodies, which we're gonna open. So there's like a little few ephemera pieces, some stickers, and then some little tags. So she put those goodies inside this little pocket, which we're gonna put right back. And then She packaged up some little gems here for me. These are super cute. I don't have anything like this. Jazz always gives me stuff that I don't have. Look how pretty these are. I love those. She put this cute little doily there. And then you guys, look at this tag. This is like my favorite. I am obsessed. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it so much. And then that's how she backed it. And so funny, we both did like an acetate piece. I put a little Maggie Holmes flower on mine, and she put a little bow with this beautiful like thread hanging down. So pretty. And then we have another pocket, and in this one she filled it with trim. She knows I'm a trim girl, so she's always giving me tons of trim. She also made me a cute little shaker out of vellum. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? And she sewed it. And she did a really good job. Look how straight that is. She did a really good job. And look at that. More little stitching. She did like a little L. I love how she personalized it so much. Cute little pom-poms. I love this. Then we have this cute little butterfly cutout with this cute little like acrylic piece on the top. And she sewed the butterfly, like it's stitched in the middle. Super cute. And then the last tag is this one, and look you guys, how beautiful is that? She put this little bow, and then she added like little ribbon going down. She gave me some tickets, and then you guys look, she sewed the word Lily. Isn't that adorable? I love that so much. She had given me a little sneak peek of that. So that's the tag flip, you guys, which is beautiful. I'm gonna put that right here. This is gonna be a semi-long video. So then there's this little gift bag, and in here, she's gifted me these. How cute, you guys. They're little bottles, and she put like little beads inside of them. Can you guys see that? Let me put that right here. Oh, this one just came off. Of course, it would come off now. It didn't come off not once. Let's fix it. Let's fix it. Okay, but there. Isn't that super cute? I love this idea. And she made one of those little Maggie Holmes bows that I did the tutorial for. Super cute. I love all the embellishments she gave me, you guys. Look at these. These are little bicycles. And she put this little cute girl stamp up here. Like a little rubber embellishment. It's not a stamp. So she gave me some bikes. And then in this little gold bag, there's some more embellishments. She gave me some of those little flowers from the Alt New. I think, yeah, the Alt New die. Look at those gold leaves, you guys. How beautiful. I love it. And then she gave me these super cute keys, like heart keys. And then she did like all the little gold threading. Like, you guys, does this girl not have some amazing talent? And she doesn't give herself enough credit, which bothers me all the time. She really doesn't think, you know, she always thinks she needs work. And I always tell her all the time, you're amazing. You are amazing. Look at these super cute ice creams. Aren't they adorable? And look at the gold bow. And the way she packaged everything. These little bows. I'm obsessed with the embellishments she made me. She also made me these super cute rosettes. Everything is packaged amazing. Then there's this little bag right here. And in here, she gifted me some bling on a roll. And this is what it looks like. I also don't have this. So I'm glad that she gifted it to me. And then, you guys, she made me a wand. And the wand had this super cute tassel attached to it. I'm going to show you guys the wand right now. Look at this tassel. Isn't that beautiful? And this is the wand that she made me. It's huge. That's my hand. It's huge. She's obsessed with wands, and she's currently doing wand swaps. Look at that. She did the same thing I did right here. She even added some little pom-pom trim at the end. So beautiful. You guys should definitely go check her out. She is like amazing. I love all her crafts. Look at that. So that was to be like clipped on right here and to use however I'd like. So of course I'm saving that. And then wait till you guys see this beautiful gift she got me. She got me this super cute like holder for pens or scissors. And look, you guys, it's a unicorn. I am going to put this on my desk right now. I was waiting to film this video, but look, you guys, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love this so much. I love it so much. It's so adorable. And the other gift that she got me was a unicorn mug. And my wife is so jealous. She's like obsessed with this mug. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my god, I love it so much. It has crinkle paper inside. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? Oh my god, I am so blessed. So blessed. You guys have no idea. I'm so lucky to have the friends that I have, the pen pals that I have. So lucky. And then another cup that I have that she sent me is this super cute little pineapple. I think this is a pineapple. And it has like a little straw. She like totally hooked it up when it came to cups. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love it. She gave me that. And that was in this super cute little bag. So I'm going to be saving all these cute little bags. And then, you guys, she gifted me this little washi in a tube. And she like decorated it. Super cute. I think this is from the backyard collection. And I don't have this one. Which is awesome, because I have the other ones, but I don't have this one. So that was also in there. She also gifted me a soap, and it smells so good. You guys, when I opened up the package, I could smell it, and I was like, something smells good in here. And she was like, you gotta wait and see. I think she did this extra. I'm not sure if that came like that, but well, maybe it did come like that. Super cute. I love this. I love the packaging. Then this little gift bag was in there. And let me show you guys what's inside. Oh, this is the cards that we swapped. The memory decks cards. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging because she put little glitter in it and I don't want it to go all over the place. But let me show you guys the beautiful cards that she made me. So she made me this one, and she didn't punch them because she doesn't have the punch, so I'll be punching them. This one says just because. Look at this one, you guys. It has like little seashells, and it says catching rays, and it has like the cute little mermaid. This one is gorgeous. Then there's this one, and it says hello love with the flowers and the lace. She loves shabby chic, so you can see that in her packaging. Look at this one, you guys. Isn't this so beautiful and different? I love how she just went her own way with it. It's beautiful. And then the last one is this one, which was her favorite, and it says we make everyone jelly. And look how beautiful that is. And I think she stamped her and colored her because she loves doing that. She loves stamps. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I love this so much. And it says, I love us. Because that's my girl. That is my girl. And she had everything like wrapped up in this super pretty tissue paper. I'm like saving everything so everything is folded nicely. She gave me this cute little jar, of course, with more trim, because she knows I'm a trim girl. And this is so pretty. Like, look, you guys, look how beautiful this is. How boho and beautiful is this? Isn't that beautiful? I love this so much. And there's like a whole bunch of different ones inside. I should put them in here. I'm gonna put that right there. And then another jar that she gave me is this one right here, and she filled it with pom-poms. And those I think are made by her, and they are gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those colors. Does she not know me, you guys, or what? I love it. I absolutely love it. And then this was part of the package, some packaging as well. This beautiful little keychain. This cute little like trim, well, ribbon, which of course I'm going to be saving. And then let me see, I'm trying to show you guys how she packaged everything. In here was where she had the bar of soap. She had it wrapped up in this. And she also gave me this cute little pom-pom trim. Not pom-pom trim, why did I say that? Little pom-pom keychain. Look at that, isn't that adorable? So soft. Look how beautiful this mail looks, you guys. Am I not a lucky girl? Okay, and then the last package in here is like this. It's a cute little swan bag, and she added some goodies in here for me, and I'm gonna show you them right now. Let me take them all out so that I can show you. Trying to take out all the little confetti. So she gave me these super cute glitterazzi mini gem lines. She gave me, hold on, these little cute little alphas. Hold on. Look at these K&C Company little frames. How adorable are these? I love these. These are gorgeous, and these as well. Also from K & Company. So those were in there. Another set from K & Company. We'll put that in here. And this has like all the dates, like all the months of the year. Super cute. I don't have any of these, you guys. And then look at these. Super cute. Cute little stars, like little vellum stars. You see that? She gave me these that have my 3D foam letters, and it has the letter L. And then the last stickers in there were these, and they're just cute little speech bubbles. And that's everything that she put inside this super cute flamingo bag. Isn't that cute? I love it. She totally spoiled me. And you know what's crazy, you guys? Like, she actually always thinks that she doesn't do enough. Like, what? Is she crazy? You guys need to put in the comments down below. Let her know how crazy she is, because that is more than enough. Oh, and she gave me these super cute little crowns by Sticko. Those were also in here. And yeah, you guys, I think that's it. And then my card. But look at all this beautiful mix that she has here. That is everything that was in this box. You guys definitely please go check her out. Go show her some love on her Instagram. She's amazing. Tell her she's amazing. And yeah, that's it for this video, because it's 19 minutes long and I gotta go. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell and enter my giveaway if you haven't entered my giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.